Dear students, how are you? I hope all are you well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Allah, the Most High. Dear students, I am here today to take a class on a topic from English first paper. So, dear students, be ready quickly and take your exercise book, EFT book and other equipments and keep your eyes on the board. Dear students, I am going to show you a picture. You have to tell me what the picture about. Dear students, look at the picture very carefully and gaze what the picture about. I think you are all here very familiar with this picture. Now I can ask you some questions to you so that you can gaze what the picture about and you will be familiar with this picture very newly. Here there is a question, what can you see in the picture? I think you can see a logo of an apple here. You can see a logo of an apple here. Are you familiar with this picture? I think you are very familiar with this picture because you are the generation of modern age. What does the logo stand for? I think you obviously can answer me. The logo stands for a company and the company name is Apple Incorporated. Which company uses this logo? Obviously you know Apple company, the company name Apple use this logo for their business purpose. Do you know any other logo like this? I think obviously you know another logo like this, that is Grameenphone logo. And I think you like the Grameenphone logo very much because it is very quiet to look at, very nice. So today we are going to learn something about a topic. Can you guess what topic I am going to discuss today? I think obviously you know. And you know, today I am going to discuss about a topic from English first paper, and that is Unit 7, Lesson 7, Portion B. So, dear students, quickly open your books at page 104 and look at the picture very carefully and read out the topics very silently. And if you have any unknown word to you, I am here to clear the word to you if I can. Today, the topic I am going to discuss on this online class, that is the Wizard of Apple. The Wizard of Apple. In the meantime, you have seen the logo of Apple on the board. Now I am reading the topic very loudly, and all of you listen to me very carefully so that you can gaze and you can know the unknown word very carefully. Stephen Paul Jobs, most popularly known as Steve Jobs, was the co-founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of Apple Incorporated. Here, I think a word may be unknown to you, and that is co-founder. Co-founder. Co-founder meant who benefactor or a joint founder or a joint founder. What is the meaning of co-founder? Co-founder means co-benefactor or a co or a joint founder. And that is, there is another word, executive. Executive. What is the synonym word of executive? Managerial. Managerial oblique ministerial. What is the meaning of executive? Executive means managerial oblique ministerial. And he was the pioneer of the personal computer revolution. Who is the pioneer of personal computer revolution? Steve Jobs was the pioneer of personal computer revolution. What is the meaning of this sentence? Actually, he was the first person, he was the first man who introduced personal computer to its consumers. What is the meaning of pioneer? Innovator or founder. Pioneer means innovator or founder. Pioneer means innovator or founder or forerunner. He was famous for his career in the electronic field of computers and consumer. What is the meaning of here revolution? Revolution means rebel. Sorry. Revolution means rebel. To introduce something with huge beneficial with its beneficiaries to the consumers. It is revolution. And then this became possible through the marketing of Apple computers. What possible? Why he was being famous? He was famous because of the possibility through the marketing of Apple computers. In 1985, Jobs left Apple after losing a power battle with the board of directors. Once upon a time, among the members of the board of directors, there was a conflict between them. And in this conflict, Apple lost his power to control Steve Jobs failed to control his power to control the Apple company. So he left this company for a time being. And then he founded Next, a computer platform development company specializing in the higher education and business market. Apple, however, failed to bring up any new operating system during Jobs' absence. Actually, when Jobs was not in the company of Apple, it could not come out of any beneficiaries for this company. The company lost its everything. So Steve Jobs returned to this company again. How he came to this company again? Jobs returned to Apple as an advisor and took control of the company as an interim CEO. Do you know what is the meaning of CEO here? CEO. CEO means Chief Executive Officer. CEO means Chief Executive Officer here. As an executive officer, Chief Executive Officer, he came to Apple and controlled the company. And also he supervised the development of iMac, iTunes, iPhone and iPad. Do you know about iMac, iTunes, iPhone and iPad? Now, I give you some examples to you. Dear students, in the meantime, I ask you some questions. Do you know clearly about iMac, iTunes, iPhone and iPad? Among them, I discuss them in brief so that you can be clear about these instruments. iMac. The Macintosh is iMac means the Macintosh. The Macintosh is a family of personal computers designed, manufactured and sold by Apple Incorporated since January 1984. The original Macintosh is the first successful mass market personal computer to have features a graphical interface, built-in screen and mouse. What is iMac? iMac is the Macintosh, etc. The Macintosh is a family of personal computers designed, manufactured and sold by Apple Incorporated since January 1984. The original Macintosh is the first successful mass market personal computer to have featured a graphical user interface, built-in screen and mouse. And then come on iTunes. What do you mean by iTunes? Are you familiar with these instruments? I think also you are familiar. Though I here give you some information to clear it to you. iTunes is a media player, media library, internet radio broadcaster, mobile device management utility. What is iTunes? What purpose iTunes is used? iTunes is a media player, media library, internet radio broadcaster, mobile device management utility. It is used to process, play, download and organize digital multimedia. In what purpose is it used? It is used to process, play, download and organize digital multimedia. And then come on iPod. What is iPod? The iPod is a line of portable media players. iPod is a line of portable media players and multi-purpose pocket computers designed and marketed by Apple Incorporated. It is the first version which is released on October 23, 2001. On October 2001, its first version was released by Apple Incorporated by Steve Jobs. So I think you are very clear about this necessary utilities. And then you have to know about another thing, and that is iPhone and iPad. What is iPhone and iPad? And another is iPhone. I think as a young generation of modern age, you can very familiar with these user's friend items, and that is iPhone. The iPhone is a line of touch screen based smartphones. What is iPhone? iPhone is a line of touch screen based smartphones designed and marketed by Apple Incorporated that use Apple's iOS mobile operating system. The first generation of iPhone was announced by Apple co-founder Steve Jobs on January 9, 2007. Here is another question. What is iOS? iOS is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Incorporated executively for its hardware. And then iPod. What is iPod? iPod is a tablet. iPod is a tablet or slate computer. What is iPod? iPod is a tablet or slate computer. Specially, Apple originally designed the iPod to occupy a new product category between the iPod Touch and or iPhone and the iMac. It is originally or really neither an iPod or iPhone nor a Mac. It is between the two users thing. So I think all of the students, time does not permit me to advance more. So all of you stay at home at this moment and be careful about your health and go on your studies with attentively or with attention. So I have to finish here my class. Assalamu alaikum.